All right, guys, let's go this way. Hey, they told me I had an axle down here for me. All right, guys, y'all remember where we left off at? I'm not gonna make a complete video out of this, but this is the wrong Comcast axle. So how do you rectify this, guys? It's simple. You go OEM. Yes, guys, this is what they got me. Mopar OEM axle assembly. Drive axle assembly. Okay, yes, you can look at these. This is the old one that come off the car. Only reason I'm replacing this because the ABS wheel speed reluctant ring has come off. This it right here. This is why that light was coming on for that fault code. Okay, but the problem I ran into, they got me an aftermarket axle assembly, and it came in being the wrong spline count, and the spline is too small. But my problem was I actually put it in. All right, yes, I've already beat myself up about it, guys, so don't remind me. Yes, it's the speed sensor. Remember, guys, originally this car comes from another shop. They replaced all the wheel speed sensor. They just didn't finish the job. They didn't want to go a step farther, or they didn't know what to do. Now, I will admit, we ended up, my parts department gave me a hub assembly. Where's the hub assembly? They was thinking that the wheel speed sensor read off a tone inside of here. No, not the case. At least not on this year model. Yes, some of them do, guys. Our Renegades and some of our Jeeps, the wheel speed reluctant ring is built onto the hub assembly, but not this car. All right, so like I say, my whole point in this is the way they rectify. Now, this could have been avoided in the beginning. The only problem, we didn't have this in stock. We literally had to order this, and it's going to take 2 days to get here. That's the only reason why they went to the aftermarket. All right, but now all bets off, guys. I got an OEM Mopar axle. All you do is give them the VIN, guys. From the VIN, they can find out everything they need to know about your car. Hence the reason why I now have the correct axle, and I'm about to complete this car, guys. I'm so sick of looking at this car. I'm tired of talking about this car, and in fact, I need my stall. Is this axle trash? Maybe not to a car that's not equipped with ABS, but I don't know of any such Chrysler 300 that's not equipped with ABS. In fact, I think it was standard equipped on all models in 2010, maybe. I could be wrong, but for now, they can have it back as a core or junk it. I don't know. I'm done fooling with it. I'm finna install this. It's gonna be a pain trying to install it because it wasn't easy uninstalling it. All right, so I got work to do, guys. I'm not gonna make a complete video of this. In fact, I'm doing a walk around right now. So I'll get back to this in a second, but let me go find out what else is going on. Not really nosy hour, but there's some interesting things going on around here. Let's go check it out, guys. Stay tuned. Let's get it. All right, guys, I'm going this way. Hey, he got this engine out, guys. Ooh, I don't want to put the truck on the video, but he got it out, guys. The young kid, the cap student. This guy getting better and better every day, guys. He has it in him, guys. This one guy would say has mechanic in his blood. So yes, you can have mechanical aspiration. You could want to be a mechanic when you grow up, but unless it's in you, in your blood, then I mean, he was eager and happy to get to it. When can I get started? When can I get started? I'm ready to yank that engine out. Ready? It's like, go for it, man. Have at it. He working with another mechanic right now, but he got it out, guys. I think he did this all by himself. There was a couple of guys over here talking to him as far as discussing it, but this guy's eager and ready to go. Now, also keep in mind, guys, there's a difference between diagnosing and doing the actual physical work. So don't get it twisted. In order to be a real good automotive technician, you have to be pretty diverse at both diagnostic as well as doing. He have the doing part pretty down packed. So, damn, he found the change. Where you get this from? So yeah, he have a bright future in the automotive industry. Now, me? No. I am not eager and excited about yanking out engines or transmission. That's what they call a new generation, guys. The new generation of technicians coming up now, they love it. They eager, they ready to go. Unfortunately, this kind of stuff is fading out. Guys, this is what is this, cast iron block, aluminum cylinder head, V8 engines, 4.7, I want to say. Yes, they pretty soon these will be going bye-bye, man. The government sticking their nose into the I don't want to bring politics into this, but yes, there's about to be some regulations going on as far as the cast iron steel blocks. They want everything green, guys. Aluminum, light, emissions, electric. It's coming. Just not sure if it's going to happen in my lifetime. So I don't know, but to me, that's what it's going to be. So, all right, guys, quick little online mechanic tips. Guys, if you have a light on that says fuel cap loose and your gas cap look like this, or you just purchase a new one and it look like this, chances are, guys, you have wasted your money. Okay, this is a Dodge FCA Chrysler product, and they are so not these do not work, guys, even if they brand new. Hear me out. Even if they brand new. So I'm highly against that. So the tip of the day is you might be forced to spend a little extra money. Now that gas cap I just taken off, maybe $5 at the most. This one is like maybe $20 at a dealership. Guys, I'm sorry, it's more expensive, but it is worth it. Okay, it will seal off this neck properly, and you will not have that code, evap leak code. Maybe it's P0456 or either fuel cap loose code. Either rate, you will not have it. Okay, from this, and you turn it until it clicks. So I'm going back on with an OEM fuel cap. All right, so just screw that on. Take your little push pin and push that in there. And there you have it. Now, also, I want you to be mindful of that light will not go off right away. Okay, you have to run this monitor. It's got to check it at least 3 times before the light will go off on its own. Otherwise, you can use a scan tool to manually turn it off. All right, that's it. There you have it. What is this he bringing in? An Acura? Oh, it's got some damage on it. Dude, man, this car got damage on it. Huh? What kind of damage? You ain't see that? Yeah. Oh, you know about it? Ooh. Does that make it not? We can't sell it because of that? Oh. Well, they can't sell it like that. As is. Yeah.